Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Lauren Joey Transfiguration, a recent graduate, Accountancy Business Management. 24 years old. Here in the Philippines, I've spent 4 years working as a dedicated nanny to Mr. and Mrs. Henedin Rayo in Lawag City. From 2019 to 2023, they are a family of 4, including 2 adults and 2 children, 3 years old boy and 8 years old girl. My responsibilities included taking good care of our children, managing household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, washing the dishes, marketing, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to have a better standard of living and to support my family. Ma'am, sir, I'm honest, trusty, and obedient. And I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food, ma'am, sir. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you, and I'm willing to renew my contract. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.